Hello from Mindpads. TOK essay. These are a few of the sample knowledge questions and excerpts for discussion with resources. Please see the pages on the Mindpads.org website for complete discussion and links to the resources. Write to us at mindpads.org@gmail.com for supporting and preparing and writing your essays and presentations. TOK essay topic number 9. Given access to the same facts, how is it possible that there can be disagreement between experts in a discipline? Develop your answer with reference to 2 areas of knowledge. KQ1. What are the foundational causes for disagreements within a discipline? Experts within the same discipline may disagree, even with the same data, about the resulting interpretation, the nature of applied statistical tools and analysis, underlying assumptions, hypotheses and conjectures, implication and extent of the outcomes and results. Even with only one truth and one reality, many perspectives of that reality may exist. These perspectives are shaped by a multitude of facts including culture, history, environment, and personal experiences, beliefs, thoughts, motivation, and incentives that change with time. The potency of disagreements arising out of putting forward claims and conflicting claims depend on the undercurrent set in motion by distinct perspectives. Depending on the strength and the nature of claims and conflicting claims, these contradictions are reconcilable, while sometimes they are not. Read more at mindpads.org. KQ2. To what extent are the disagreements valuable and contribute in knowing? The world around us consists of a multidimensional, complex and dynamic and interconnected systems that necessitate knowing and understanding, built through multiple claims and counterclaims or conflicting claims. This examination through disagreements entails deeper recognition and judgment instead of mere accommodation. Taking, for instance, theory building or theory change in natural and human sciences involve a community process of sharing experiments, observations, feedback, and interpreting the data in distinct ways and varied settings. The process entails prolonged deliberation that often sparks scientific controversy, as witnessed in the case of any groundbreaking theoretical idea. These are a few of the sample knowledge questions and excerpts of the discussion with resources. Please see the pages on the Mindpads.org website for complete discussion and links to these resources, or write to us at mindpads.org@gmail.com for support in preparing and writing your essays and presentations. KQ3. Which area of knowing involves more disagreements within the discipline? Why? The theories in natural sciences do manage to obtain a general consensus among the scientific community after the observations, experiments, investigations, and results are found to be consistent, reproducible, and in agreement over time. Compared to this, theories in human sciences cannot base their findings of the human societies and individuals that make claims to be consistent or reproducible. The theories in human science rely more on drawing inferences based on observations without making much of a sweeping conclusion. In the area of economics, for example, 3 economists, Eugene F. Fama, Lars Peter Hansen, and Robert J. Schiller, were awarded the Nobel Prize, who worked independently but were found collectively to explain and predict the workings of the financial markets. The committee, while being cognizant of the disagreements between the 3 economists, highlighted on the fact that how far economists' progressions remains from the agreeing on the answers to important questions in economics. Read more at mindpads.org. KQ4. To what extent does a multidisciplinary approach reconcile disagreements within the discipline? Sometimes the experts, though from the same discipline, may be representing and/or working different institutions, businesses, and associations. Naturally, the disagreements, though with the same facts, shift into national or local policies, public health regulations, cultural and religious restrictions, predicted expansions of business profits, policy alliances, international interests, and conflicts, making the disagreements more complex. Regardless of all the success and understanding achieved in single disciplines, we do have a world of complex and interconnected systems that necessitate a multifaceted approach to cooperate and collaborate between disciplines to solve complex problems and understand complex events. For the complete discussions of all these TOK topics, please visit us at mindpads.org or write to us at mindpads.org@gmail.com.